Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my Bali travel vlog series and this is vlog number 6, and all other my vlogs are available on my channel if you guys want to check it out if you are interested in Bali travel. So this is a extreme ATV tour by the company called KUBER, and I booked this tour through Viator, and this was just the amazing experience. We enjoyed so much. The staff is super friendly and they really monitor all the way to make sure everyone is safe and enjoying the ride. They give you full instruction what to do, and when you're going downhill or when you're going uphill, they watch and they make sure everyone is having fun. So this tour starts with the rice field where is everything is flat, so just for you to get used to driving the quad bike. Then you head back to the center and you make a left down to the caves and waterfalls. It is very steep downhill slope, and you will skid all the way down even with all your brakes, but it is so much fun. My family really enjoyed, even my 9-year-old enjoyed so much. So it is a must thing to do if you like adventure and you like sightseeing. You see the countryside of Bali, and so much fun. I highly recommend. If you like thrill or if you like adventurous things, then definitely this is a must thing to do in Bali. When you are in Ubud area, they can pick you up from your hotel, so it's really good. So enjoy this ATV tour, and if you like, then don't forget to hit the like button.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together, put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we made it. Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together, put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Soul chaser. Soul chaser.
It's what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of this gold. Only know I want the best of us. So I night away. That's the night away. That's the night